Baby, we built this house on memories. Take my picture now, shake it till you see it.